Good afternoon, dear students. Hearty welcome to the computer class on the fourth day of this week. Dear students, we have worked out a number of programs based on selection statements or decision making statements. As I have already mentioned, you have to practice and write as many number of programs as you can by your own to get the concept and logic clear and thorough. Today we will discuss a program of selection statement that uses slab based calculation. The question is, a taxi vehicle charges fare from the passengers based on the distance travelled as per the tariff given below. So here a taxi vehicle charges from the passengers for travelling in the taxi as per the given tariff here. The distance travelled up to 10 kilometer, it is charged, the minimum charge rupees 300. That means if the distance is also up to 1 or 2 kilometer, you have to pay the minimum charge of rupees 300. Even if the distance is 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, you have to pay the minimum charge of rupees 300. And up to 10 kilometer, the charge is the minimum, that is rupees 300. Then if the distance travelled is more than 10 and up to 50 kilometer, for each kilometer above 10, the passenger has to pay rupees 20 per kilometer. For each kilometer more than 10 and up to 50, the passenger has to pay rupees 20 per kilometer. If the distance travelled is more than 50 and up to 100 kilometer, for each kilometer after 50, the passenger has to pay 18 rupees per kilometer. And if the distance travelled is more than 100 kilometer, the passenger has to pay a fixed amount of rupees 15 per kilometer. For each kilometer above 100, the passenger has to pay rupees 15 per kilometer. We have to define a class called vehicle to enter the name of the passenger, the vehicle number and the distance travelled, and to display the charge to be paid by the passenger. For example, we give a sample input of only the distance. Sample input distance travelled. Suppose the distance travelled is 65 kilometer. The taxi charge to be paid by the passenger is 300 plus, what is this 300? This is the minimum charge, plus from 11 to 50 there is 40 kilometer. Yeah, from 11 to 50 there is 40 kilometer. For that range of kilometer, for that 40 kilometer, it is charged as per the given tariff 20 rupees per kilometer. So 40 into 20 plus the distance travelled is 65. So what is the distance more than 50? 65 minus 50 equal to 15. So for that kilometer, as per the given tariff, it is 18 rupees. So 15 star 18, and the total amount to be paid by the passenger is rupees 1370. Let's go to the program. class taxi is the class name given. Public void calc underscore charge string name is the variable for storing name of the passenger. BNO is the variable for storing the vehicle number. dis is the variable for storing the distance traveled by the passenger. Charge is the variable for storing the taxi charge to be paid by the passenger, that is of double type and is initialized to 0.0. Now we check each condition by using if else statement. If dis, what is dis? Dis is the distance traveled. If dis less than or equal to 10, charge equals 300. This is the minimum charge. Charge equals 300. Else if dis greater than 10 and dis less than or equal to 50, if the distance traveled lies in this range, the charge equals 300 plus 300 is the minimum charge plus what is the distance exceeding 10? What is the distance exceeding 10? How will you find out? dis minus 10. dis minus 10 star 20. Else if distance greater than 50 and dis less than or equal to 100, if the distance traveled lies in the range from 51 to 100, the charge to be paid is charge equals 300 plus 40 star 20. So this is the charge for the distance that lies between 11 to 50. 11 to 50, that is 40 km. For that range of distance, the charge is rupees 20. So 40 star 20 plus what is the distance exceeding 50? How will you find out? dis minus 50 star 18. Star 18. 18 is the fixed rate per kilometer for the distance from 51 to 100. So this is the statement. If the distance traveled lies in between the range 50 and up to 100. Else means what? If the distance traveled is more than 100 km, the charge to be paid by the passenger is 300 plus 40 star 20 plus 50 star 18 plus how will you find out the distance above 100? dis minus 100 star 15. So 15 is the fixed rate per kilometer for each kilometer exceeding 100. So this will be the charge if the distance traveled exceeds 100 km. So the charge is calculated and will be stored in the variable charge. Now we have to display the charge to be paid by the passenger. System.out.println the charge to be paid. The charge will be displayed. We see the variables used in this program. Name is the variable for storing the name of the passenger of string type. VNO is the variable for storing the vehicle number, that is of string type, because it consists of alphabets also. dis is the variable of int type for storing the distance traveled, and charge is the variable of double type for storing the taxi charge to be paid by the customer. So these are the variables used in the program. I have mentioned the last day we will have a test paper on tomorrow. All of you must be prepared for the test paper. The duration of the test will be 30 minutes. All of you have to compulsorily write the examination. If anybody cannot write the examination at 2 o'clock for any serious matter, if anybody cannot attend the examination at 2 o'clock tomorrow for any urgent or any serious matter, they have to inform me today itself. We bind up today's class. Thank you.